Hey guys, and welcome back to the 513 family. Here we are today. We got a brand new video. You know, y'all met Brewster in our last video, our elf on the shelf that comes and sees us every year. We talked a little bit about him. And today we're going to be doing a 5 surprise video. We're going to review the 5 surprise balls and see what everybody thinks about them. But when we got home this afternoon, look what we found. We found Brewster with 3 more 5 surprise balls. What do y'all say, guys?
Thank you, Brewster!
Yeah, that's awesome. So, and look right here, he wrote us a note. I heard you guys were doing a 5 surprise video and thought I would help and give an extra. Brewster. Whoa, man, is that not awesome? That is the best gift that Brewster has ever given us at Christmas. So y'all stick with us. We're gonna start opening up these 5 surprise balls, see what we get inside, and have a lot of fun. Okay, here we go, guys. As we can see right here, here's this 5 surprise ball that we're gonna be opening up. This is one of Molly's. And you can see all the little toys and creatures that it's got inside of it. And you can see the zipper right there where you're gonna pull the zipper down and open it up. And we are really excited about unboxing these 5 different toys. Boy, this is gonna be fun. I think it kind of splits open kind of like an orange. All right, and here is the boys' 5 surprise ball. There's the 5 surprise right there. It's got 150 toys to collect. You see dinosaurs and ninjas and robots and cars. Man, this is some kind of awesome. 5 different toys to unbox inside. All right, well, let's get to it. We're gonna get started right here, right now. All right, well, we're going to decide who gets to go first. So who really wants to go first?
Me!
Everybody wants to go first, about the same amount. So I tell you what we're gonna do to see who goes first. We're going to guess a number between 1 and 20 to see who's the closest to what number Daddy is thinking of. All right, I think I will show the people at home what I'm thinking of. So here we go. This is the number that I am thinking of. All right, so here we go. Let's see who gets it right. Okay. Brody, you're up first. What number am I thinking of between 1 and 20?
3.
3. Okay, Brody says 3. Molly Baked?
2.
2? A number between 1 and 20, we got number 3 and number 2. Kipton down, what do you got?
4.
4? Well, Kipton was right. He was the closest one because Daddy was thinking of number 14. 14. All right, here we go. Kipton's going to go first with his 5 surprise. And he's going to open the first one up now. Go ahead, Kipton. And here we go. Our first 5 surprise ball is being opened up by Kipton as we speak. What will be inside, folks? I can't wait.
I hope you get them open. Here.
And what is that? That's a little dinosaur. Look at that, folks. That is awesome. Oh man, look at that little dinosaur. So here's the little collector's guide from the boys' 5 surprise ball. We get putties, slime, water balloons, skateboards, cars, sea creatures, dinos, insects, poop gang. Everybody loves a poop gang. Zombie dogs, glow zombies, squishies and squeezies, super balls, army men, ninjas, key pins. Ooh, a key pin. Silly bands, stickers, and prank toys. Looks like a lot of fun. And here we go with the second section from Kipton.
Do I go?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh! Got a ninja!
And here was Kipton's second one. He got a little ninja. Oh, and it's a little suction cup ninja that you can stick on your mirror of your bathroom or on your window. I guess if you put it on the outside, he will protect your room from other ninjas. All right, number 3. Open it up, Kipton.
Oh, a sea creature. It's a sticky one here. Sticky.
Oh, and there is this sea creature right there. Ooh, awesome.
Sticky too.
What? And here's number 4 for Kipton.
What is this?
And it looks like Kipton might have got maybe some glow-in-the-dark goo. I don't know. It's kind of stretchy and pulley and yeah. We'll find out here in just a little bit. All right, let's open up the last one. Got one more surprise in that ball.
It smells like putty. Balloons!
Balloons! That's awesome. I can't believe they would give you balloons in there.
We will see what he has in the other one.
All right, so in his first 5 surprise ball, Kipton got a little dinosaur, a ninja, a squishy octopus, 5 different color balloons, and a glow-in-the-dark squishy ball. We'll show you the squishy ball here in just a minute. And next up is Brody with his first 5 surprise ball. Are you ready, Brody?
Yeah.
Oh. He liked to lost it, folks, but he caught it.
Nice.
And here it is. It's open. It's spread out. 5 perfect little slices. And the first one is open.
Some more goo.
Oh, some more glow in the dark.
Yeah.
Goo. Yeah. So Brody got his glow in the dark goop. And here he is getting ready to open up his second section of his 5 surprise.
Another ninja.
Another ninja, exactly like the other ninja.
Ninja.
All right. And here we are with the third one. And Brody's opening up the third one. Go ahead, Brody, open it up. Let's see what you got. Oh, more balloons. All right, so far Brody's got his balloons, his ninja, and his glow-in-the-dark goop. And we're waiting for the 4th section of 5 surprise open up. And here we go. What is it?
Dinosaur.
An exact same dinosaur. And it's a purple. Wow, we got 2 balls exactly the lot. So here we are after the first two balls. Y'all can see that Kipton and Brody got the exact same thing in their balls. So, all right, well, let's see what Molly Pate gets out of hers with her first 5 surprise ball getting opened up now. Rip it open, baby. Let's see what you got. All right, and we've got it open and we've got it peeled out, and here comes the first section now. Balloons! What do you know? We got balloons in the first section. All right. Those look like big balloons though, don't they?
Yeah. I bet they're heart balloons.
So there you go. As you can see, Molly Pate got 2 heart-shaped balloons. And here she is with her second one now. Opening it up. Ooh, what'd you get, baby?
Bird.
She got a little bird. Oh, look at the little chick.
And I got the glitter sky.
So here is the collector's guide from the girls. We've got ponies, mermaids, butterfly rings, brushes and combs, badges, cute pets, pretty plants, dress up princesses, highlighters shaped like popsicles that's having a bite taken off of them, key pins, color pins, glitter glue pins, stickers, silly bands, putty, hair clips, ooh, hair clips, stamps, gem beads, heart-shaped balloons, shoes, I wish they would fit, and ice creams. Some pretty good stuff.
It's a keychain ice cream.
All right, here she is with her next one. Go ahead, Molly Pate, and open it up.
Oh, I got a mermaid.
Awesome, a little mermaid.
Blue hair, purple thing, and a pink little tail.
All right. What's your next one, baby? Go ahead, open it up.
Oh, ice cream keychain.
Brady made a black bracelet out of his glow-in-the-dark goo.
It's savage, ain't it?
It is savage, Brody. That is very savage. Oh, look at there, an ice cream keychain. Awesome. What's your next one, baby? Let's see what you got for your 5th and final from this 5 surprise ball. And it comes undone. And she's got a hairbrush, maybe. No? Yeah, she got a hairbrush.
And it's a cupcake hairbrush.
Cupcake hairbrush. Awesome. Kitchen said he's clapping. He's clapping for one. She got a cupcake hairbrush, and for another, he is about to open up his second 5 surprise ball. And there it comes open. He's got it open now for everybody to see what he is getting. Let's open up the first one.
Oh, a skateboard.
Ooh, we got a skateboard.
That is cool right there.
Ooh, it's cool. Is it Savage?
Yup.
Oh, it looks like it's got a zombie on the front of it. Awesome. What's number 2, Kipton?
Stickers.
Oh, stickers. Everybody's got to love stickers. They end up on your floor, on your table, on your refrigerator, and on your forehead. Stickers.
3.
Let's see what kind of stickers he got. Ooh, they are kind of ugly.
2 dinosaurs.
Awesome. All right, let's open up your next 5 surprise.
Basketball.
Oh, he got a basketball. What's up? A basketball Super Bowl.
That just came right open. Didn't even have any tape on it. Bouncy ball.
Ooh.
Basketball.
Basketball.
That is
Bouncy ball Super Bowl.
so cool.
Everybody's got to love them. They will end up underneath your couch and they will find them 6 months later and have a whole new toy. And for his next section right here, Kipton Dale's coming in.
Another dinosaur.
Another dinosaur. It's a green dinosaur that looks kind of, well, pretty much just like that. He's got the same one. All right, let's open up the last one.
What is this?
I know what's in Mara. I forgot.
Is it some more goop?
No.
Goop?
No, what? I forgot. Let's look on the collector's sky. Where is it? Where is it?
So I think after a little bit of deliberation, we have decided that Kipton's last thing are maggots. Ooh, maggots. Ugh, nasty.
Nasty.
All right, and here he is. He's just gonna lay it out. 5 slices of 5 surprise, and he opens up his first section. What does he get?
A skateboard.
A skateboard.
Not the same thing.
But it's not the same this time.
Hey, all right, there we
It
go.
has the same monster.
It's got the same picture on it, but it's a different color skateboard.
Yay!
Slime! Woo! Everybody got slime. Well, not everybody, just Brody. Yeah, let's leave that in the
That is cool right there.
That is super cool. That is epic. I would say it might even be savage.
Stickers.
Stickers.
But it's not the same kind.
All right.
Here's one more.
We got stickers. Lay
Daddy,
them out there and let's take a look at them and see how ugly they are.
Zombie.
Ooh.
That was cool.
Here we go for his 4th one.
Oh, a bouncy ball.
Bouncy ball.
But it ain't the same one. Yeah. You never get the same one. You got the baseball. Yay. I got
Awesome. That is a baseball, a yellow baseball bouncy ball, super bouncy ball. All right.
Now you have to say what. I put it.
And for the final section of his second 5 surprise, here he is, Brody.
Oh, it's a shark.
Oh, baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark. All right, got a shark. Awesome. All right, here is Molly Pate with her second 5 surprise ball, the last surprise ball of the day. I think we've had a pretty good day so far. Oh, we'll take a look at everybody's stuff. go through here. Whoa, all the way down to the slime. Let's have it, Molly Babe. What do you have? And here it is. It's finally open, and she lays it out. Her 5 sections of 5 surprise. And with her first one, she opens it up.
Butterfly ring.
Ooh, got a butterfly ring. Look at that, folks. How pretty. Awesome. And number 2, gotta throw away a little trash.
Oh, little kitty.
Oh, she got a little kitty to go along with her little eagle. There it is, folks.
And
It's a pretty little kitty with a big fluffy tail.
okay.
And the third section. What?
Ouch.
What is that?
A hair something.
Like a hair bow?
Let me see it.
It's like a hair bow.
Ooh, yeah, it's like a little hair clip. Look at there. Clip it up in your hair, and you've got a little ball of fuzz.
Oh, hair clip.
And here we go.
With a
We got 2 more
color.
left. The 4th one.
Oh.
Ooh, an ice cream cone highlighter. Is it a highlighter?
Yeah.
Awesome.
And now.
The last one of the 5 surprise balls. The final section out of 30 sections.
Another one. Another mermaid.
Another
It's
mermaid.
different.
Ooh, it's got 2 mermaids. Awesome. Well, there you have it, folks. That is all of the 5 surprises. We had some ups, we had some downs, but ultimately, I think it was a pretty good surprise day. What do y'all think?
Yeah! It was awesome and cool.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, we've had a great day today with our 5 surprise balls. We really hope that y'all have enjoyed our 5 surprise review, and I think they're awesome. What do y'all think?
Yeah.
I think they're so cool.
Yeah,
And
me
awesome.
too. So awesome.
So there you go, 5 surprise guys. Y'all did a wonderful job with the balls. All the kids liked them. All right, so we appreciate y'all watching our video. We hope that y'all like, share, and subscribe. We've got a lot of real cool stuff coming your way pretty soon, and some updates to some older videos and some new videos that are going to be very, very funny. I think Mama and Daddy might even like one of them. So y'all be sure to stay tuned to what we've got going on. Share us with your friends. And who are we?
The 513 family!
There you go. Thanks, guys.